Environment Canada in Toronto has issued a possible tornado alert for north-central Kenora County in northwest and north-central Ontario until 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, 7 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:46 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time / 5:46 p.m. Central Daylight Time, Environment Canada Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado. This dangerous storm was located near Red Lake and moving southwest at 60 miles an hour. Hazard, tornado, and golf ball size hail. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles is expected. Tree damage is likely. Precautionary/preparedness, take cover now. Move to a basement, or at the lowest interior room at a sturdy building. Avoid windows. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado.